In the rapidly evolving field of machine learning, collaborative distributed machine learning, CDML, is getting more attention, emphasizing privacy through local training of ML algorithms. This approach allows agents to share separately trained algorithms, preserving data privacy. With ML becoming important in various sectors, more firms invest for competitive advantage. Even in healthcare, ML is tested for efficiency and safety. We have developed a decision support tool to assist users, such as companies, in identifying CDML archetypes and implementing their own use cases optimally.
Hi there. I'm Alex, a passionate member of this incredible company. As a project manager, I'm always on the lookout for innovative ways to enhance our operations. Today, I'm thrilled to share my journey as I embark on a new project. I have a fantastic idea for a new CDML project, but I'm unsure which architecture best fits my needs. There are some options, and I want to ensure I make the right choice. What do we have here? The CDMLNavigator. A decision support system that can help me find the perfect archetype for my project. That sounds exactly like what I need. With CDMLNavigator, I can easily choose my industry and use case. The system guides me through a user-friendly selection process. It then smoothly transitions to inputting my project requirements by asking targeted questions. After defining my goals, CDMLNavigator suggests a suitable archetype option, making the selection process brief and tailored to my needs. This is perfect. The suggested archetype aligns perfectly with my requirements. With this decision aid, I can execute my CDML project optimally.
The CDMLNavigator contributes to the evolution of machine learning and CDML. As the implementation of ML grows across different industries, our tool presents different use cases at different levels. It not only provides decision support for CDML system design, but also offers insights and ideas for new applications. By identifying suitable archetypes for different use cases, the tool significantly improves the efficiency and quality of CDML implementation. Overall, the CDMLNavigator is a valuable resource for the development and implementation of CDML in both practice and research. So let the future start here. Are you ready for a new era?